And this is our final result. You can see before one and the after one, before one and the after one. Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photos YouTube channel. So I'm back again with new double exposure trick. With this trick, you can edit picture like this. You can see before one and the after one. It looks amazing. So without wasting time, let's go. After opening Snapseed app, you will see this interface. I prefer dark mode. So let me on the dark mode first. Click on these three dots, settings, and just turn on the dark mode. By the way guys, which mode you prefer while editing? Okay, so first we are going to open a first photo. Okay, for that just click on open and select the first picture. Okay, this is our first photo. Now next step. Now we are going to make this photo ready for the merging for the double exposure trick. Okay, go to the tool section and click on brush tool. Okay, now select dodge and burn. Decrease the percentage and just brush on the hairs wherever you see wide patches. We are making this photo dark because while applying double exposure trick, while applying second picture, wherever has dark areas, black areas, in that second photo gets matched perfectly. So always remember, while applying double exposure trick, make photo little dark, so second photo will get merged very neatly. Okay, you can see before one, after one. Okay, just click on apply. So our photo is ready for the double exposure trick. So now we are going to merge second picture with the first one. To apply double exposure trick, just go to the tool section and select double exposure tool. Okay, after opening double exposure tool, you will see this interface. Now simply click on open an image and select this photo. By the way guys, I have given all photos download link in description. For the practice, you can download all the photos from the description and you can try this while following all the steps with me. And simply click on add. Okay, now we are going to place this photo neatly on this area. This looks perfect. Now click on opacity. No need to change opacity level. Click on style. Okay, try all the styles. This looks perfect. So I'm applying lighten style. Okay, and simply click on apply. Okay, now next step. Now click on edit tag, view edits, double exposure, brush. Okay, now simply click on invert and you will see this interface. Now decrease the percentage, make it 0. Okay, and simply erase the area. Simply erase the unwanted areas. Okay, like this. Zoom the photo and brush neatly. To erase, decrease the percentage, percent should be 0. And to restore, increase the percentage, percent should be 100. Okay, now just click on apply. And you can see before one and the after one. It looks perfect. And to save the picture, just click on download symbol and simply click on export.